Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I believe today is May 26th, Memorial Day, and it looks as if our rainy season is starting to get kicked off. Got 3/4 of an inch of rain yesterday, very much needed. Things are starting to turn green. My ginger and turmeric tower, well, I looked at it this morning and every single pocket has got something sprouting in it. So once again, I had about 100% germination rate on ginger and turmeric. That'll be filling out over the summer, and by the time I get back from Mom's, it's gonna probably be like a jungle. But that's not really what I came out here for today. My mom had some Bok Choy that bolted a while back, and so she asked me yesterday how to go about saving seeds from it. And it occurs to me, I've never really shown how to save seeds from some of these leafy greens and brassicas and things like that. I know I've shown tomatoes and peppers and squash and that sort of thing, but a lot of the plants that we grow put out seed pods. These that you're looking at, these are my cabbage collard seed pods, and to be honest, this is one of the main reasons that I'm still here in Florida dealing with the heat instead of heading up to Mom's place, because this is the first year that my cabbage collards have ever gone to seed, and so this is my first opportunity to save seeds from them. With most of the leafy greens, probably the most important thing is to make sure the seeds are good and mature. And most people will tell you that in order to do that, you want to let them stay on the plant until they start to dry out. In fact, some people say let them dry out completely before you take them off the plants. Well, I've got a few here that are starting to dry out, though if we're going to start getting afternoon thunder showers, it's going to take a lot longer for them to dry out, so I'll be picking them as they come off of here. I've actually had a pretty good season for seed saving. You may remember I had garden peach tomatoes on the front patio, and those are the seeds that I saved from them. I also, the only tomatoes I had in the backyard were the Praxis cherry tomatoes, so I went ahead and saved more seeds from them. And then there was those radishes. Those things, wow, they bolted fast. And as you can see, I got a bunch of seed pods saved from them too. Haven't gone through and taken the seeds out of them yet, but that's the next step. So it was a pretty good year. And right here is cabbage collard seeds that I'm going to start saving. Now, I'm not going to pick these off today, except possibly one or two of them that are starting to dry. I want to give them as long as possible. But most of the brassicas, basically, when they bolt, they send up one or more shoots, flowers at the top, and then they start creating these seed pods. And as you can see from some of these, they've got a bunch of seeds inside them. So you just let them dry out on the plant, and then you pick them off, let them dry completely, break open the seed pods, and get the seeds out of them. Bok Choy is the same way. Radishes are the same way. Pretty much most of the leafy greens are done that same way. So by all means, save your seeds. It's getting harder and harder to find some seeds. And of course the prices keep going up. So if you can save your own, not only are you saving money, but you're also growing seeds that have been acclimated to your particular garden. So save seeds whenever possible. If you don't know how to go about saving a particular seed, you can always Google it or ask another gardener. We'd all be more than happy to share whatever we know. Hopefully we'll also tell you when we don't know something. But anyway, just a quick one, because I'm going to be saving these seed pods here real soon to add to my collection. And that's what I'll probably be growing next year. So, hope this helps a little bit. And I'll see you next time.